Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. AddMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, today we will do two questions from past papers of the topic differentiation. After these two questions, in next lecture we will start past papers of differentiation from paper 2, 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3. So if you are new on this channel, kindly go to my playlist, watch previous lecture of this topic, and then after watching previous lecture you will have good command on this topic. Let's have a look. Question number 18. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to 2x minus 1 over x square plus 5 square root at the point where x equals to 2. Very easy question. We will do lot of question differentiation in coming lectures. So the equation of the curve is given y equals to 2x minus 1 upon x square plus 5 root at x is equals to 2. First we have to find x1, y1. x1 is given 2 and y1 we will obtain y1 by putting the value of x2 in the given equation of curve. 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 square plus 2 square 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 root is 3. 3 cancel by 3. The answer is 1. Hence x1 y1 equals to 2 comma 1. Now we have to find the gradient of tangent. How to find gradient of tangent? Find the derivative of the curve. The derivative of the curve represents the gradient of tangent. So dy by dx as you can see, it's a rational function, so we have to use u upon v formula. U upon v formula is v square v dot u dash minus u dot v dash. So v square x square plus 5 root square. V as it is x square plus 5 root derivative of u, derivative of 2x minus 1. Derivative of 2x minus 1 is 2 minus from the formula u as it is derivative of v, derivative of x square plus 5 root. So x square plus 5 root is 1 upon 2 x square plus 5 root multiply by the derivative of the function, that is the derivative of x square plus 5, it is 2x. So this 2 cancel by this 2, so this is gradient of tangent. I always represent gradient by small m, t stands for tangent. So gradient of tangent at x is equals to 2. So put the value of x where you put the value of x is equals to 2 where you are seeing x. So x square plus 5. So 2 square plus 5 root multiply by 2 negative 2 into 2 negative 1. X is 2 upon 2 square plus 5 root upon this square cancelled by this root, 2 square plus 5. Two square plus 5. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 root is 3. 3 into 2. Minus 2 to the 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 upon 2 square is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 root is 3. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Is equals to 3 to the 6. 3 cancelled by 3 is 2 upon 9. Six minus 2 is 4. 4 upon 9. Hence the gradient of tangent is 4 upon 9. So if the gradient of tangent is 4 upon 9, then the gradient of normal is negative reciprocal of gradient of tangent. That is, Mn gradient of normal is 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4. What was the question? Equation of tangent or equation of normal? I forgot. No, we have to find the equation of tangent. So in order to find the equation of tangent, we just take the value of tangent. Sorry for this, I am rubbing. So MT is 4 upon 9. Now the equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to mt times x minus x1. Y minus y1, our y1 was 1, mt we have find 4 upon 9, x minus x1 is 2. Or you can simplify it. So this is our final answer. You can more simplify by taking LCM, multiply 9 by y minus 1 and so on. So after doing so many questions, you can simplify yourself. So this is question number 18. This question came in October-November 2015, paper 1-1. Move to last question of paper 1. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equals to 5 tan x minus 3. This time we have to find the equation of normal. Very easy. Write the equation of curve y is equals to 5 tan x minus 3. Put the value of x, which is pi upon 4. 5 into, 10 pi by 4 is 1 minus 3. 5 ones are 5 minus 3 is 2. Hence x1 y1, x1 is given pi by 4, y1 is given 2. Now find the gradient of tangent dy by dx. 5 tan x derivative is sec square x, or you may write 5 upon reciprocal of sec is cos square x. Satisfy this value is x is equals to pi by 4. 5 upon cos pi by 4 square is equals to 5 upon Cos pi by 4 you can find with the help of your scientific calculator is 1 over root 2 square. So gradient of tangent is 5 upon 1 square is 1 and root 2 square is 2. So 5 2s are 10. Hence the gradient of normal is minus 1 upon 10, because the gradient of normal is the negative reciprocal of gradient of tangent. Hence our equation of normal is y minus y1 is equals to mn times x minus x1. What was our y1? Is 2. Mn we just find negative 1 upon 10 x minus x1, which is pi by 4. And this is our final answer. Very easy question. Equation of normal. Hope you understand entire question number 19. So student, this is our today's class where we did 2 questions of differentiation. Question number 18 and question number 19. In my past papers, differentiation topic has finished. So in next lecture we will do more questions of differentiation, but from paper 2. So if you like my videos, my channel, kindly, it's my humble request to do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.